Hello everyone, this is Ravi Singh from YouTube channel Tricky English Express. I'm back to back with this lesson. Really, it's very important topic for you, especially those who preparing Air Force, Navy and other competitive exams. So now without getting late, we should start this lesson. First is one here, optimist, one who looks at the bright side of things. Pessimist, one who looks at the dark side of things. Next one is immigrant, a person who comes to a country from his own country for settling. Immigrant, one who leaves his country to settle in another country. Pacifist, one who loves peace, hates war. Omnipresent, one who is present everywhere. Omniscient, one who knows all. Next one, invigilator, one who supervises in the examination hall. Sadist, one who feels pleasure by hurting others. Stoic, one who is indifferent in pain and the pleasure of life. Fatalist, one who believes in fate. Martyr, one who dies for a noble cause. Exiled, one who is banished from his own country. Recluse, one who lives in seclusion. Chauvinist, one who is blindly devoted to an idea. And next, omnivorous, one who eats everything. Next one, pilgrim, one who journeys to a holy place. Pedestrian, one who goes on foot. Prophet, one who foretells events. Fiancé, a man engaged to be married. Next one, fiancé, a woman engaged to be married. And next, matrimony, wedlock, the state of being married. Bans, proclamation of ended marriage. Gamophobia, fear of getting married. Misogamist, one who hates marriage. Now you will be looking next. And spinster, an old woman who is not married. Mercenary, one who does something for a sake of money. Misogamist, one who hates the institution of marriage. Next, illiterate, one who does not know reading or writing. Okay, now moving on next and last. Linguist, one who is versed in many languages. Divorce, legal separation of marriage of husband and wife. Alimony, an allowance paid to wife on legal separation from her husband. Polyandry, the practice of marrying more than one husband at a time. The next one word is concubinage, live-in relationship. Okay, finally we have completed this lesson. I hope you enjoy this lesson as much as. If you like this video, feel free to skip us, like, share, comment and subscribe this channel Tricky English Express. So thank you. Thanks for watching this video.